Hey, what's up guys? Max here. Let's talk about what we know about the Samsung S11 or Samsung S20. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified when we publish new videos. The S10 was incredible. Here's what Samsung's doing to improve for 2020. Samsung's Galaxy S series is always one of the most anticipated smartphone releases year after year. Following a modest upgrade with the S9 series, 2019's Galaxy S10 lineup shook things up with an all-new Infinity O design for the display, triple rear cameras, and even a third budget model. In the coming months, it'll be time for Samsung to take the wraps off of the Galaxy S11, or the S20, we aren't 100% sure about the name. The phone has big shoes to fill, but knowing Samsung, it'll be up to the task. What will it look like? In regards to the S11's design, it's shaping up to be a modest change compared to the S10. November 22 brought us the first CAD renders of the upcoming phone, showcasing the device in all of its glory. The display once again has a hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera, but this time it's centered at the top of the screen, similar to what we saw on the Note 10. The edges of the screen are also curved, but it's possible Samsung will keep a flat display around for the S11e just like it did with the S10e. Any idea what the specs will be? Right off the bat, there are a few assumptions we can make about the S11 specs. There will be an AMOLED display, with 120Hz for the refresh rate. It'll be powered by Qualcomm's next-gen processor, Snapdragon 865, and there will be at least 6 GB of RAM. In regards to S11 specs, the rumor mill has been talking non-stop about the S11's new camera. On November 4, Samsung leaker Ice Universe shared that the phone has a high probability of offering a 108MP camera for one of its sensors. Samsung officially unveiled its 108MP ISOCELL Bright HMX camera sensor in August, and it only makes sense for the company to debut this on its first big flagship of the year. The Galaxy S11 is also said to support 5x optical zoom, along with being one of the first smartphones to support 8K video capture at 30 frames per second. A report from November 29 mentioned a bright night sensor that should allow for impressive low-light photography. As for the S11's display, we should see a big upgrade for it too. Samsung's One UI 2 beta included a settings page for a 120Hz display, something we've yet to see on any Samsung phone. While it's possible Samsung's holding this off for the Note 11, it seems more likely that the company would want to debut this feature on the S11. On the software side of things, Sam Mobile has reported that the Galaxy S11 will ship with Android 10 and One UI 2.1 out of the box. The price? Next, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, price. For comparison's sake, here's the retail pricing of the S10 series. Galaxy S10e, from $750 Galaxy S10, from $900 Galaxy S10 Plus, from $1,000 Galaxy S10 5G, from $1,300. The release date? The Galaxy S10 was revealed on February 20, and the S9 had its unveiling on February 25. For the last 2 years, Samsung's announced its Galaxy S phones in late February right before MWC. On January 4, Samsung sent out press invites for the Galaxy S20's unveiling, which is taking place on February 11. That's a week before MWC, and it'll be held in San Francisco. In addition to the Galaxy S20, the event should also be home to an announcement for the Galaxy Fold 2. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified when we publish new videos.